Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. How to go from zero to $1 million in your 20s in America. In this video, we're going to break down the exact path many young millionaires in America follow to go from zero to $1 million. Even if they start with no money, no connections, and no special degrees. This is not a lottery, not luck, and not get rich quick. This is a practical roadmap young people in the US can follow, step by step. Number 1, change your money mindset, the foundation. The journey to $1 million starts with a millionaire mindset. Most young people in America grow up believing money comes only from jobs. But every self-made millionaire understands one thing. Money comes from value, not time. Millionaires focus on learning high-income skills, solving problems, and owning assets. Your mindset must shift from I need a job to I need a skill that the market pays highly for, and I must invest my money wisely. Namaha. 2. Learn one high-income skill, $50K to $250K per year. You cannot reach $1 million fast with minimum wage. So step 2 is to master one high-income skill, such as digital marketing, software development, sales and closing, video editing, content creation, copywriting, AI automation services, real estate wholesaling, e-commerce. In America, even at age 18-25, these skills can make you $5,000 to $15,000 per month within months, not years. You don't need a degree. You need skill plus consistency plus clients. Number 3. Start a small online business, $0 $10 a month. Once you have a skill, turn it into a business. This could be social media marketing agency, Amazon's Shopify store, freelancing agency, AI services, real estate wholesaling, car rental business, Turo, Airbnb management, landscaping or cleaning business. All these require low investment but have high cash flow potential. If you scale the business to 10 K per month, that is already $120,000 per year, putting you in the top 10% income bracket for your age. Number 4. Live below your means. Save 30 to 80 cows a year. This is where young people fail. America gives a lot of earning opportunities, but also massive temptations like luxury, credit cards, and lifestyle pressure. To hit $1 million early, keep rent low. Avoid car loans. Don't chase branded clothes or fancy gadgets. Save aggressively. Invest aggressively. Your business money is not for showing off. It's for multiplying. Number 5. Invest your profits into assets, your $1 million engine. Once you have cash flow, put it into assets. A. Index funds, ETF investing. S&P 500 or NASDAQ ETFs grow around 10% yearly. Investing $2K or $4K per month can make you a millionaire in 8 to 12 years. B. Real estate. Buying rental properties or house hacking helps you. Build equity, get rental income, grow net worth consistently. Even one good property in a developing area can add $100K to $300 to your net worth over time. C. Build scalable income streams. Use profits to expand your business or start a second one. Millionaires rarely depend on one income source. 6. Build strong money systems. Automation freedom. Automate savings, investing, debt payments, business processes, daily tasks using AI systems create discipline. Discipline creates wealth. 7. Stay consistent for 3 to 7 years. Most young millionaires didn't do it in 1 year. They spent 1 year learning skills, 1-2 years building the business, 2 to 4 years scaling and investing. And by the time they hit 25 to 30, they crossed $1 million net worth. Consistency beats talent. Focus beats speed. Final message. Going from zero to $1 million in America is absolutely possible, even if you start from nothing. If you learn a skill, start a business, control your lifestyle, and invest every month, your first million is not a dream. It becomes a predictable outcome. This roadmap has already changed thousands of young lives. Now it's your turn. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.